Century Product Slope Guard to be used in the most difficult situation. We're talking about hillside slopes where the greatest problem is the erosion, where they actually will cup out the newly planted trees and do hillside failure. This is two applications in one. One retains the soft soil from covering up the root ball zone. Two prevents any erosion issues. The original application is about 3 to 6 inches below grade, where you have hillside slough issues where the material is starting to fade. It doesn't hurt to use a rebar pipe to stabilize the side once you backfill. When these are done, the tips of the slope guards will be all cut off, and even with the plateau, with the slope material being put approximately 3 to 6 inches below grade. This will help keep any of the soil from packing into the root ball zone, or any of the water from eroding the loosely packed soil. CenturyRootBarrier.com for all your tree planting needs. This is an inexpensive application for a difficult project.